Welcome to Freddy Fazbear's Pizzeria.
This movie is basically about a guy who gets a job working at this pizzeria from the 80s that's abandoned, and once inside, madness ensues.
Have you met them yet?
Met who?
Foxy, Bonnie, Chica, and Freddy.
They're really terrifying. I think they're doing their job. They're supposed to be eerie and terrifying.
Hello?
We knew that the visibility from the fan base was super high. Every department on this movie played such a crucial and important role.
They've had Jim Henson Studios create these puppets.
And all the animatronics had such a personality.
Chica, she looks happy, and then boom, she gets really scary.
Bonnie is the most aggressive. If there's a time when Freddy should be scary or intimidating, he stands tall, the movement is slow and ominous.
Sometimes it's the subtlety that really sells the character.
There's so much in the movie that speaks to the fan base.
This is a movie that's going to have a lot of jump scares.
The audiences are in for a ride.
You will be blown away.
It's the ultimate popcorn movie.